Oh, Georgi,
Yes.
what you doing here?
Going to Starbucks.
Test Starbucks, new Starbucks. Second floor have also. Okay. Parking. Drive-thru already have.
Dalawang glaze ka donut. Alright. Hindi na gawin mo. Thank you.
You know, Dalava, Georgi.
Yes.
Two pieces. Dalava. Have application, Starbucks application. You can download. Maybe have discount for you. What?
Philippines, they always move cake the whole side to cocktail. But I want to look what inside. See? And this cake. Better if they
Because
turn
good,
around. I
yeah.
want to look what
but
inside.
it's good looking outside.
Yes.
That's why we put.
So I cannot decide I want this or not because I don't know what inside.
You just ask and we show to you. Do you want souvenirs? And remember in Shenzhen also so many souvenirs.
Ice ruby grapefruit with honey blast
Pecan bar. Chocolate pecan
Okay, we
bar.
go to second floor. Oh, second floor, so many people. Second floor, more space here. Good? Starbucks here. Coffee good?
Yeah, same as before.
Ah, same. Okay. Okay, let's go. Today you will go to Walking Street or not? Take video? Many people here. Thank you. Clark Center. Burger King also. Oh, Star Train, Georgi. Okay, let's go.